Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm DJ Dread. Today's video is a bit different than the ones you usually see on this channel, and I thought would be good to add some context to it. As some of you may already know, there will be a new Terminator movie launched on November 1st, Terminator Dark Fate. Adobe and the movie director launched a challenge, Create Your Fate. The challenge is about remixing the original movie trailer. For that, they've put online the video files that are part of the original movie trailers and some dialogue, but there is no sound design or background music attached to it. Here is how it looks and sounds like.
You may have changed the future, but you didn't change our fate. I know you're scared, but I'm here to protect you.
Never seen one like you before. Almost human.
I am human, just enhanced.
Pretty awkward, right? Here is my version of the remixed trailer. Although it is out of the contest as it ended up on October 7th, it was still nice to remix the images and add the sound design.
Talk. Talk fast.
Who first?
My name is Sarah Connor. August 29, 1997. Was supposed to be Judgment Day. But I changed the future. Saved 3 billion lives. Enough of a resume for you?
No. You may have changed the future, but you didn't change our fate.
Never seen one like you before. Almost human.
I am human, just enhanced.
Expect a big ping, brother. The whole body's a weapon. Sorry.
I know you're scared, but I'm here to protect you. Why do you care what happens to her?
Because I was her.
Nobody else is gonna die because of me if you don't make it. Everybody dies. Sarah!
I can see you're very upset. I'm going to help you protect the girl.
When this is all over, I am going to kill you.
I understand.
I'll be back.
So, how was it? Would you go to the movie after seeing my version of the trailer? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. See you next time. Or better said, I'll be back.